In this video, I'll show you how to create splice text in Canva. Let's dive right in. Start by adding the text you want on the page. Choose a bold font and scale it to your liking. Next, export it as a vector graphic. Click on Share and download it as an SVG file for unlimited scalability. Remember to select the transparent background option before downloading. After downloading the file, upload it to Canva. Then click and drag the file into the new page and resize it slightly. Now it's time to crop the image, rotate, and position the text as needed. Don't forget to change its color to make it stand out. For splicing text, duplicate the text and position it to align with the original text. Adjust the color of the duplicate text accordingly. To create the splice effect, go to the crop tool again. Click and drag the crop area all the way down to reveal all the text. Drag the top down until you see the pink background behind it, then align it with the end of the pink and release. Then you now have your splice text. You can customize the color of the top portion as desired. Feel free to adjust the position of the bottom text to your preference. If you wish, you can select both parts and rotate the text back to its original orientation. And there you have it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.